Okay, Okayama, Formula Ford 1600. We're on pole. Not quite sure how that happened, but let's just see if we can drive away. Or at least not get taken out in the first corner. That would be nice. It's been going around here in the MX-5, so this feels like mega by comparison. And it's only a few seconds a lap quicker, but just feels like it's got so much grip and so much nicer to drive. Anyway, let's just focus. These first few laps, just get going and get away, hopefully. And maybe have a boring race. We'll see, won't we? We went a bit deep there, but got away with it, I think. So it looks like us first two, Luca and I, are going to be maybe getting away. I don't know what the slipstream is like here. Not going to do anything silly. First laps. Looks like there's plenty of grip anyway, which is good. Seems to have a bit more speed than me at this point in the race. I think it's harder leading because you've got to set the pace. I'm the first one to find out what the grip is. Okay, looks like he's going to come up the inside.
44.853.
I'm not going to fight too hard because I don't want to just drag the whole of the rest of the pack into us. See, he's a bit wayward, isn't he? He's got by, but he's a bit wayward. Bit slow through there as well. Got three behind us.
Right side. Still there. Still there, hold your line.
Hopefully he's going to be sensible, this guy.
Idiot, idiot,
Clear on the
idiot.
right.
So I don't know who that was.
Left side. Clear on the left.
Guy seems really keen, doesn't he? He's just slowing us both down, unfortunately. But it's racing. I can't tell him what to do. He has to do what he feels is right. That's cost us a bit of time against Luca.
38.961. The next car's the leader.
Take the middle of the road there, I think. See if we can get back on Luca. Watch those curbs. Back on the power, nice and early. We're closing in a little bit, aren't we? Question is he going to try and go out the inside? I think he is.
Right side. Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
Okay, we're third. Like I said, I don't want to drag the rest of the pack in, so let's see what they can do if they're any quicker. They're no quicker, are they?
.706. Just set your fastest lap of the session. The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 37.181.
All right. Let's just sit with them, shall we? Just going to run to the back of him then. So it'll be interesting to see if he goes for an early move and how robustly Luca decides to defend. This could end in tears. There's been crashes behind. You can see the yellow. Still with them, aren't we?
.672. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
These are so much nicer to drive than the MX-5s around here, I have to say. Lovely.
5 minutes to go.
Lovely car to drive, this is. So we're right with them. We've got a bit of a gap, which is good. He's going to have a go, is he? Looks like it. Has he done it? Looks like he has. I don't reckon he'll get away, though. He's got the fastest lap, but that was with slipstream, so I don't think he's going to get away. More likely to crash than get away, I think. I think there'll be more shenanigans going on.
37.451. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Yeah, he's not driving away, is he? Yes, it's how much do we want it? Okay.
Right, go left. Left.
The next car's the leader.
Good.
This is going to slow us down. I'm going to put one of them off. Oh, overlapping wheels there.
Right side. Clear.
Got a bit of a tank slapper on, didn't he? Overlapping wheels, not what you want. He's going to have to do it all again, isn't he? I'm sure he will, though.
38.739. Okay, you're in second. The leader just did a 38.675.
He's dropping back just a little bit, isn't he? So, do I try? Is it worth trying? What do we think?
Car right. Still there. Clear.
Trying, isn't they? It's hard to overtake here, though.
White flag. Stay smooth.
Okay, white flag. Blimey.
.414. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Well, he's going to be in prime position, isn't he, for the long straight?
Right side. Still there, hold your line.
Okay. He's there.
There, hold your line. Clear on the right.
So, is he going to? No, he hasn't. If he's going to go for a desperate move, he hasn't yet. I think that'll be my chance to win if they take each other out. I'm not going to risk it, I don't think. I'll take the safety rating, I think. Right, nearly went then. Well, that's it. Well, I'm not too disappointed with that. I mean, starting on pole, finishing third doesn't sound great, but we had a good race, a good battle. And we come away with 0x. So that's always a good day, isn't it? Anyway, let's have a look at the results.
It's over.
Okay, it's a start then. So I got away okay. I came across to the right to defend my line, and it worked for the first lap at least. Anyway, let's have a look at the incidents. Okay, so what's this then? First lap, oh, 3 wide. Come on. It's just stupid. It's never going to work. Oh dear. Why do people do that? I don't know. Oh, unlucky. Unlucky. Oh, and they all went off. Oh dear. It's so easy to do. Someone goes off in front of you, you oversteer, and then everyone goes off. And they're all back together again by the looks of it. Yeah. Come on. Come on, guys. Yeah. And that was it. So not too many incidents at all. Okay, let's look at the results. So that's the results then. Second split, which is probably why we were on pole. Got a nice chunk of safety rating, nice chunk of I rating, so happy with that. First lap was a 37.1, we did a 37.4, so pretty close. Could have gone a bit quicker probably if we'd taken more advantage of the slipstream. But that's a good race, I enjoyed that. We'll look at the championship next week, so it's the last week next week. We'll see how we're going to get on. And yeah, if you want to see that, then please do hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.